Hi, this is Luke, and this is our first look at InTrigger from Waves. This is Waves' latest trigger generator and sample playback engine for drum replacement or augmentation. Today I'm using InTrigger to get sounds for my kick and snare to make my entire kit sound a lot fuller and a lot more involving as soon as I bring those in. So generating notes to trigger my samples is easy enough. All I have to do is hit learn and run the audio. So it's scanning through all of the velocities. And now it's found what it thinks are the target hits. I can adjust the percentage value on my main target to either include or exclude what InTrigger thinks are the hits that I need. So very accurate, that ghost note there, but I can obviously include everything that it can hear, which isn't the idea, so I'll keep that at 100%. And I can also use the threshold to include or exclude those possibilities down there in the weeds. I also have the option to engage the onset gate, which allows me to clean up my recording before it hits InTrigger. And I can randomize things like the velocities as well, just to get a more humanistic performance. So less randomization. More uniform there, or I can turn this up. So a lot more variation there if I need it. And as far as the sounds themselves are concerned, I can just go in and search my sounds. I have a favourite up at the moment, but I can just get rid of that and also filter the results in the sidebar. And if I go in on very broad search terms, just acoustic snare sounds, in the InTrigger factory pack, I have so many to choose from. And I can load my own if I want as well, so I will never ever be stuck for different sound options. And once I've found a sound that I like, I can just drag it straight into the interface, so I can layer up samples as I need, or just choose the ones that I want. And I also have a handy polarity invert button there, so I can get them to play nicely with each other if I need to. And I'm also using InTrigger to improve my kick sound. I've got the handy source and trigger balance control as well, so I can blend between the two, either to check that my triggers are doing what I want them to, or to maybe trickle in a bit of the original sound for layering. But whether it's kicks, snares, toms, or anything else you can think of, InTrigger has a way to generate the right hits and also to pull the sounds out of the bag as well. And when I add some processing of my choice, I can get a really great produced sound from something that really was lacking rather a lot in the first place. So that's our first look at InTrigger from Waves. Intelligent triggers with a whole universe of samples as well. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.